Hey everyone, it's Misha, aka Pink Hat Hiker. Here to remind you that if you enjoy these videos, make sure you like this one and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, day 2 in southern Florida. Today we are off to Everglades National Park to do another boat tour. So that will be fun. It's early because it's a 2-hour drive, so I torture myself on these holidays, man. But it's worth it. Worth it every time. So this is day 2 of cruise, the cruise pre-party for us. Tonight we are meeting one of our fellow cruisers and her husband for dinner, so that should be fun and exciting too. They're right down the street from us, so we thought it would be fun to meet up. Alright, we are at Everglades National Park, and we have about a 40-minute drive through the park to get to Flamingo Marina. This is Flamingo Marina, the very bottom of Florida, and that is the boat that we're taking. We'll check in 30 minutes. For now, we're going to go check out the visitor center, maybe the marina store over here, see if there's some caffeine for Rusty.
And when they put their neck out like that, they look very different than when you'll see them just sitting there resting. They can pull that neck completely in. And when they get excited, they have a little top knot on top of their head that can pop up. Oh, see, you just showed it for a fraction of a second.
He just went down to go eat some grass, I think. But you can see he's like somewhere right here. He'll pop up for air in a bit. There's your little manatee. Oh, got his little. Oh my goodness!
The baby pops up every so often. He just popped up right between 2 of them. It was awesome. Just beautiful.
Wow.
There's water under there, so they're getting water.
right, so we are getting ready to leave the Everglades National Park. We're going to stop at the visitor center on this other side of the park and use the bathroom. And then we're going to head to Little Havana and get some Cuban food for lunch.